Are you frustrated with your network constantly disconnecting on Windows 10 or 11? It's a common issue that can disrupt your work, gaming, or daily internet use. In this video, we'll walk you through some effective troubleshooting steps to fix this problem and get you back online without the headaches.
I've been drinking water for some time, picking up the parts of all my lies. Didn't get to solve it this time. I won't hide to break apart. Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn, follow you to carry I was in your father, and dark crack, bringing up the fire, not the kind, following my eyes, and show you how I play my part. Lost in the night, don't justify the love we lost, the love we had. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry
Hopefully, these solutions have helped you solve your network disconnection issues. If you're still having trouble, feel free to drop a comment and we'll try to assist you further. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tech tips. Stay connected.